So I'm finished with my ventilator prototype. This prototype has cost me under $275 to purchase these products. There's a hard shell case. It's a military grade tactical style case. I have an LCD touchscreen that I programmed. I've got a pressure regulator, a main power on-off switch, a charging port for the lithium-ion battery that's inside. I also have some connections for the tubing kit for the ventilator, my inspiration and expiration ports, as well as I have a couple filters underneath here. These filters are for inspiration and expiration to keep the air coming in and going out of the device filtered. And I'm basically going to start this up. I'm going to go to auto ventilate, and it's going to start inflating my artificial lung here, this balloon. And as it inflates the balloon and deflates it, you'll see a graph, real time, of the pressure inside of the lungs. If I squeeze in the balloon while it's blowing up, I can increase the pressure and flow rate. So notice those numbers increased. And it did spike as well on the graph. I could increase and decrease the breathing rate, so I just increased it, and you're gonna see the frequency between the humps is gonna be much greater. And then I can change the inspiration time to 1 second, and you'll notice that the spikes will be smaller. I'm going to change it back to 2. And I'm going to decrease the breathing rate per minute, and you'll see that there's a gap now in between the breaths because I slowed down the breathing rate. My inspiration pressure and flow rate do need to be calibrated. They're a little bit off. I have another really cool feature on this, which is partial assist, which it's a little difficult for me to do right now, but if I take the balloon off and I introduce some negative pressure into the bronchial tube, basically, it will start to breathe for me. With every partial breath that the patient would give to the tubing kit, to the mask, to the balloon, in their throat, in their trachea, with each partial breath, this would automatically turn on and help them complete the rest of the breath. So this is what I've been doing during all my quote-unquote downtime here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So this device will breathe for you. Might even save a life. Oh, and before I finish, let me just show that I also have a clamp here in the back that's made for an IV pole. So you can actually attach this to an IV pole, close it, screw it down, and it can exist inside of a hospital room like any other piece of equipment. Pretty cool.